Are you ready to create the next big thing in the crypto world? Meme coins are everywhere, and with Pump.Fun, launching your very own meme coin has never been easier. Stick with me, and in just a couple of minutes, I'll show you how to begin your journey with your own meme coin. First, head over to Pump.Fun, the ultimate platform for launching meme coins. Click on Create a Memecoin. Give your coin a name, something catchy, like Dogeboom or Shiba Zap. Next, choose a symbol. This will represent your coin, so keep it short and fun, like $Boom. Now, it's time to give your coin some personality. Step 2 is to customize your coin. Design your coin. Upload a logo or pick from templates. Once everything's set, hit the Deploy button, and Pump.Fun takes care of the coding for you. That's right, no coding required. Build hype with memes on Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, and TikTok. Rally your community on Discord and Telegram to keep the energy going. Remember, the secret sauce to a successful meme coin is memes and community. Here's the investment part. You are the first investor of your own token. More you invest, more it returns later based on your skills. Although Pump.Fun doesn't charge any upfront fees for launching tokens, it does impose a 1% fee on all trades. Set tokenomics. Want reflections? Burns? Liquidity pool percentages? Pump.Fun lets you customize everything. And there you have it. Your meme coin is up and running, all thanks to Pump.Fun. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next video.